Hey guys, what's up? Kirby Smith Lightspeed Construction, taking a look at a roof here today. Somewhere between maybe 80 and 90% granular loss. A little soft board right here where these ridge caps have been replaced. Our owner's actually wanting to go with a lighter color. As you can see, there's a lot of streaking on this roof, pretty visible from the road. So we are going to mention an Atlas product to our owner. GAF also makes a Timberline HDZ Ultra that is warranted not to streak as well. It's a little bit higher price point product, so that may not be the first go-to. We got a pipe boot here that's had some sort of sore repair, and another, I'm guessing that's most likely the top's just kind of bled out. We got a rotten board right there, pretty good. You can see almost step through that. Let's see if we got one here as well. Yep, that's rot as well. So anyway, guys, look forward to getting a nice new roof on here. Hopefully get a chance to do a great job for this customer. And this is the smallest roof in North Knoxville, Powell, Halls area. Guys, Kirby Smith with Lightspeed Construction, inspecting roofs. Call us if we can help with your next project. Take it easy.